Okay, so good afternoon, children. So today in the class we have started exercise 3 about the simplification. Okay, so we have already done question number A, B, C and D in the class, but I even feel that some of you have not cleared with the concept. So I would like to explain the simplification one more time, okay, for the better understanding. So whenever we do the simplification, we have to come with the BODMAS. So BODMAS always helps you to make your simplification very clear and in the smooth manner. Alright. So what is the BODMAS? So first the BODMAS is B for the bracket, O for the off, D for the division, M for the multiplication, A for the addition and S for the subtraction. Alright. But no need to go along with this all because in the class 3 your simplification is very simple with only the addition and the subtraction. So when you see here, then the B, the bracket is also not here in the question. O of, OFF of is also not here in the question. Of, we can convert it into multiplication. So you will learn it in the senior class. So the division, the sign of the division is also not here. The multiplication, the sign of multiplication is also not here. But the addition and the subtraction only we will find in here in the question. Alright. So before the subtraction, the addition will come in the front, then only the subtraction. It means that you have to do the addition first, then only you have to do the subtraction when you do the simplification. Alright, so I have already copied the question in my exercise copy, so I would like to explain you in that way. So the question number A, B, C and D I have already copied here, so let's see. So this is the work. Alright, so we have done it in the classwork already. So the question number A, if you see here, is 398 plus 341 minus 489. So whenever you do the simplification, you have to do the addition first, okay? And you have to find the addends. Addends means the two addition number. So here in the question, the 398 front, you will not get any sign. So if we are not getting any sign of plus minus, then it means that kind of a number is always a addends or the addition, okay, or the plus you have to give. You do not have to get, but you have to imagine that in front of these number there will be a plus sign, okay, addition. And in 341 there is a plus sign. So it means that we have the two addition or the two addends, that is 398 and 341. So now for the first step we have to add this two number. Okay, we have to add this two number. So when you add this two number, okay, I'm not go this in details. So 398 plus 341 will be 739 if you do the addition. Alright, so this is our first step. So when you go to the second step, so what you have to do? You have to do the sum, that is 739 here in the first, and you have to keep minus now. Okay, you have to do the subtraction in the second step. So 739 minus 489 will be your 250. So 250 will be your answer. Okay, now let's go on to question number 2. Here again we are getting the 431, 562 and 287. But in front of 562 here you are getting the minus sign. So it means that this is minus. But here in 431 we do not get any sign, it means it is plus. So now in the first step we have to take the two plus signs, right? So accordingly 431 and 287 will come for the addition for the first step. Alright, so when you do the addition of these two number, you will get 718. Alright, now in the second step what you have to do, as we have done in the first question also, similarly you have to take 718 in the front and you have to do minus 562 because 562 in front you are getting the minus sign. So this is the minus only. So minus 562 here, you will get the answer 156. This is the final answer of second step. Alright, now the last I would like to explain you, not the question number C. The question number C and the question number D is similar. Okay, so the question number D, let me explain, otherwise the video will be lengthy. So here the question number D is 5682 minus 5211 plus 3290 plus minus 2989. So in this question, what are you getting? That you have to find the plus signs first in the first steps. Remember. Alright. In the first step, you have to find the plus signs only. So here the 5682, there is no sign. So it is a plus. Okay. And 3290 is plus because it is in the front. You will get the plus sign. So these two are the addition. So you have to bring this 5682 and 3290 in the first step. So whenever you do the addition, you'll get the answer by 8972. So what do you have to do in the first step? We have done it. Then the second step, what you have to do is that in the rest question, you found only the one subtraction. Okay, the 1 minus only. But here we are getting the 2 minus. Alright, we are getting the 2 minus. Now what you do in the second step is that you have to bring both these minus. You have to bring both these minor numbers, but you have to do the addition for the second step also. Alright, you have to do the addition for the second step also. That means minus 5211 minus 2989 you have to bring in the second step, but you have to do the addition. Please do remember, this is a very important part. So when you do the addition of these two numbers, then you will find 8200. Now finally what you have to do is, you have to go to the third step, then you have to bring this 8972 minus 8200. Alright, now here becomes the minus. So in this way you will get the answer. 2 minus 0 is 2, 7 minus 0 is 7, 9 minus 2 is 7 and the 8 minus 8 is 0. So you can write 0 also, or if you don't want, then you can remove the 0, then your answer will be 772, that is 772. So in this way you can do the simplification.